Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box for Canes fan Bob of Court Kings. Good luck, man. Ooh, let's hope that that is numbered or shiny. Got Von Miller, and out of 599, better than just a normal base. 440 of 599. Mr. Carl Anthony Towns, numbered rookie. Better than nothing out of the free packs. Better than nothing. And Von Miller, elements insert, and your box, man. Well, happy birthday, Canes fan Bob. Let's get him some mojo. Get him some mojo. Wow. That'd be sick if that was autographed. Allen Iverson. Allen Iverson. Not autoed. Box topper. Another thickie. We got Kelly Oubre Jr. Kelly Oubre Jr. not numbered. And Jerome Martin not numbered. Dunk app. Ricky Rubio, Jordan Clarkson, Steph Curry, and Kobe Bryant. Some nice base cards there. Rookie framed. D'Angelo Russell. That is not numbered on the D-Russ. You have a Miles Turner rookie, numbered out of 75. 10 of 75. What's up, Sofa King? We have Ron Harper, vintage materials, out of 199. Another vintage materials, Bill Laimbeer, out of 199. Bill Laimbeer, and pretty nice autograph out of Court Kings. Impressionist ink, John Wall. That is out of 25. Very nice, Bob. Not a bad box there, man. 19 of 25. Jonathan Wall. That was your box, man. I'll throw in some more NBA Player of the Day packs. Let me know if you get anything awesome out of there.